Hello, flat earthers. Hello, how are you all doing? Hope you're all right. Of course, you can come on the channel and you know, talk to a fellow flat earth scientist like me, and I will teach you about what flat earth is. It's the truth. Let's put it that way. I mean, bald earth is ridiculous and it's stupid. It's real stupid. As I stated before, you'll have to realize that ball Earth is nuts. NASA is nuts. And nobody's been on the moon. But you have to realize that it's the truth. You gotta slow down a minute and just think about where we live. We live on a water planet. Oh, yeah, we do. It's mostly water, and we have to deal with all that water. I've dealt with all that water all my life. Help fellow Canadians and Americans deal with that water. And you've got to be serious about when you deal with that water. Because, if you don't know what you're doing in dealing with that water, it can be a bitch. A real bitch. But the Pacific Ocean is it's immensely huge. It really doesn't give a shit about our little human ass. I mean, we're not even close yet to understanding the tectonics of the Pacific Ocean. It works I know how it works, so I respect it. And it's not too easy if you use this. And of course, people in the Philippines, and fishermen in British Columbia, in Seattle, California, in the 1800s, 1700s, fishermen all over the world knew how to use it. They didn't jump to conclusions about it. They knew it could kill them any time. That's the point. And it's not spitting. It's not spitting at all. But what the topic is flat Earth, ball Earth, and if you think we're spinning at 1,000 miles an hour, well, that's total crap. It's been taught to you, and like it was taught to me when I was 7 years old. I got the same stuff, and you get brainwashed. Brainwashed good, and I mean, like I said before, it might dawn on you when you're 30 or when you're 40. You might be sitting home having it. Just hold it a minute. You might be sitting home and having a cold beer like one of these, with your wife and with your kids, and you know, and you might say, "Wait a minute here. I don't know. I don't know shit about the Pacific Ocean. I've been on the Pacific Ocean with very good people that knew about the Pacific Ocean, and you have to know that. I mean, I'm just trying to explain things to you from my knowledge that I've experienced. That's what humans should do for fellow human beings. It doesn't matter if I'm white, black, green, yellow, whatever color, it don't matter. The Pacific Ocean doesn't give a shit about your color. It don't give one fuck. It doesn't. It's huge. And you don't play around with that. And Like this shit that they're saying the sun is 93 million miles away and the moon is this 250. No. It's right here, man. You know, the sun is very small and it's not 93 million miles away. They thought that shit up. I mean, how could a 7-year-old, like you, 7-year-old, many years ago before I was born, they were teaching this shit. So it it was indoctrination, propaganda. Period. That's what it was. That's what it is. And because we now know the earth is flat, we ain't spinning, that's for damn sure. Yes. I wouldn't want to spin that amount of water in the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, the Indian Ocean, and all the water in the oceans. I wouldn't want to try to spin that at 1,000 miles an hour, man. You wouldn't even be able to drive a ship on the damn thing. That's for damn sure. Or swim in it. And I'm not alone. I'm not alone on this. There's millions of us flat earthers. But like I say, it might hit you when you're 40. Quite a few countries gave good education, Canada especially, and United States, and Britain, and Germany, and other countries gave good education to 7-year-old kids. So you can read and write in Spanish or English or French or German or Italian or Greek or Persian or Egyptian or any language. But we only live in one place. One place. And all of us humans, all of us have to deal with the size of these oceans and what they're doing. And they don't give one fuck for your little human ass. Doesn't matter if you're warring or killing everybody. The water don't give a fuck. Not